The ZONESUN ZS-AFC70 is a dual-station rollerball bottle filling and capping machine designed for rollerball bottle packaging. Operating at 60 to 70 bottles per minute, it uses twin peristaltic pumps to deliver precise 3 ml doses with plus or minus 1% accuracy. The machine integrates bottle sorting, plug placement, and synchronized dual head capping, ensuring high efficiency and a qualification rate of greater than or equal to 99.9%. Built with SUS 304 stainless steel, it provides durability, hygiene, and stable performance for medium-scale production lines.